We keep trying and trying.
They're just going to pass that whip to someone else.
Eileen,
Is that whip going to go from wedding to wedding?
Yeah.
Eileen, tell Lori when your wedding is and where, and so she'll know.
Well, I think we've said it a couple times.
We did on the 5th?
Well, say it again.
June 17th next year.
Be there.
Be there.
Dedham.
And Dakota State.
Dedham.
So it's a nice walk from the house.
Away.
A block away, you
No
can crawl
driving,
home.
no problem.
Ride to
You
walk
can get
over.
blasted and you won't fall in the pool.
Do you have to climb a fence to get over there?
Yeah, your gowns and everything.
I'll get over there. I don't know if I can get back over the fence.
This big gap.
We'll work it out.
We'll bring the puppy and she can dig you a
Invitation.
hole under the fence.
I think Jerry's right. Drink a lot of beer and have a guten Fahrt.
Oh, here comes a good fight right now.
Here he comes now.
Speaking of good farts.
You can tell by the walk. Oh, pool boy. Honey, your job's not finished yet. He's following that advice. He's got a beer. Did you
want to hear about the
let you
Honda.
out of the pool?
They want to hear about the Honda.
Oh, that's a great Honda.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Tom.
I've got him.
Let's go to the Honda. Got me?
I've got you.
Trapped. Who is this going to?
Everybody.
Oh, everyone.
Going east, going west, going in every direction, huh?
Yep.
Going way
Hi,
out.
gang.
All this good advice.
Yes.
The best.
Tell us a little bit about that fine beer.
Child-rearing advice.
Child rearing
Hit them on
advice.
the ass often.
Good beer.
And make sure they eat their peas.
Yes. The peace scene revisited.
Yeah, look what he did for me.
Only it stunted your growth.
You can get that on tape.
Spare the peas. Spare this
God
piece.
put gluteus maximus on those little
A little cushion.
They want the peas, they're spinach balls.
Here comes another lovely lady. More advice. Come join us. All right. Notice the beer in the hand. Beautiful. Right over here. Right over here.
Hey, lady in red. Hey, red.
Okay, we want
gotta
advice
back
on
up a
child
little bit.
rearing.
We need some
Child rearing advice, please.
Okay, Aunt Tuffy. Simple and to the point.
Someone else
Live long enough to
Uncle Bob, move back in. Uncle Bob, move back
Well,
in.
after she's had them, now what does she do?
Yeah, we gotta stand and do this. Get in here.
Hey, Laurie.
We're only
Joan.
Oh, he did this?
Yep.
Marianne is known as the meanest mother in Winchester, and she's proud of it.
Good. I don't blame you.
Here's to the old meeting.
It's all those black kids in South. Man, she's a mean mother.
You're right. Some of them might have said that too.
Their daughter, who thinks they're so mean, has taken all the grandchildren to the duck pond, like that ace teenager that she is.
That's because she's saving them from getting...
Get away from her. She's actually taking them down there to drown them.
They're all having
With
their
my
fingers
blessing.
Look at the duck. Look at the duck. Hold your head under the water. See his meat?
That'll teach
Anybody who throws Curious George in the pool can't be
nasty. We have a tragedy.
Jerry did it. Jerry did it.
Kristen did it.
I told her.
Outrageous.
Oh, well, you're the instigator then.
He's right, the catalyst.
And here she comes. Poopy puppy.
Too big as if the
Puppy, show us how you use
so that means the dog
the share.
By the way, pool boy, the dog was in the pool. It's at the scoop.
No AIDS.
I'll go get you one. These one, because I love the Corona.
There's
Hey,
cold Coronas in the fridge.
picking up your
Uncle Otto, you do did a fine job on that tape.
Boy, I'll tell you,
Wonderful.
guys,
Sure. The best.
you should have been at this wedding yesterday. It was right out of Hollywood. Suzanne did an outstanding job. From right to the beginning to the end, it was a Hollywood special. Super deluxe, extra long stretch limo.
The royal
Not a
wedding.
very good driver who whacked into Joan's truck.
Get mine out there.
Other than that, it was unbelievable. It was like a clown car. All these kids getting out of it in their gowns.
Yeah.
One after another after another. It was unbelievable.
Sue was the star.
Oh,
Did a
No
good
doubt.
job.
Definitely.
No doubt.
Star. She looked every inch of it.
She is Mr. Calling.
So comfortable with that.
She maybe has found her calling.
What, Hollywood?
And David Aiken rose to the occasion.
So to
Yep.
speak.
David,
That's-
a little wiggle. Bacon.
That's the loosest I've ever seen him. David. I've never seen him so relaxed.
Right. Come on, Pie.
Come on, guys.
Come over.
Gramps, flies on that.
Whoa.
Here he comes.
Let me get a close-up.
Zoom in on Paul.
I've got to zoom on Grampy.
Stage words and advice from veterans.
What do you say, Pie?
Whatever it is, don't do
Come
it.
on, Uncle Pie. Yeah, it's going. It's going. Hey, hey, you're getting too close.
Get too close?
Yeah, back up.
Hey, offer your advice. This is your big chance to be a...
One more step.
Oh,
There's my advice to you.
that's okay. When I videotaped him, he talked about his bowels. The last time.
Vowels there.
Yeah, the last.
A-E-I-O-U.
I was asking about Christmas and his childhood, and he told me about his bowels, the secret to long life.
That's because you're a
Beautiful.
nurse. He wants you to know.
Okay, Uncle Paul, any advice?
Actions speak louder than words.
Yes. How about on child rearing?
Joan knows how to deal with it.
No, no,
Comment
no,
on
no.
the subject.
Cut, 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 cut. What do you say, guys? Join the gang.
You missed that one. It's on tape.
Join the gang.
Joan, you missed out. Uncle Otto zooed on you.
I said I got advice.
I should have said that.
Okay, I've got you close
I've
up
been
now.
asked for advice on that, and I said, go see Joan. She knows all about that.
Oh,
That's nurse's work.
yep.
Yep.
That's what Grampy says is a secret to the long life.
Yeah.
Sex. That's the key.
That's right.
You know it. We love it.
Yep.
You don't have to tell Lori about that or Joe.
And now everyone at the reception knows it.
And a distillery. Yes. Oh, for corn's sake. There was one. Sounds pretty good.
Take a break if you want, dear.
Okay.
Chewing one in my dream. Because one,
Your cap.
no, your cap's on.
Eileen, what are you trying to do?
Danger, danger. Maybe.
Hi, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Just for that. I'm gonna get.
Soft like Mr. Rogers.
I'm picking up every wrinkle just for that.
Well, keep cooking, baby. Keep cooking. You're so bitchy. Go for the throat, Joan. Go for the throat. What a beast.
Oh, look, what did Laurie say? The baby's cranky like Eric? Who are you getting? Those guys. What's going on over there? A drug deal?
Real deal. These Florida boys, watch out right
It's a
there.
drug deal.
The price is too high.
Grampy, you already bought that property once.
Drug lord with the glasses.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
taking advantage of this short-term memory.
That's right. Grampy. Grampy. Call your lawyer first. Okay?
Pull your fly up, Grab.
Woo!
Oh, please.
Don't encourage that, please.
They said, go over and get on the movie. And he said, I'll unzip my fly. They said, go get on the movie. And he said, I'll unzip my fly and walk over.
Florida laugh.
Feel free.
Don't laugh.
And you call me Uncle Furby.
You'll be sorry you ever
Get on me.
I intend to walk alone. Very much alone.
Bob just brought down potato chips for the gang.
And popcorn.
And popcorn.
Oh, he's trying to swear.
Oh, Lori, do you miss being here? Popcorn.
Puppy.
And the gang.
Puppy.
Remember the cake.
He likes to keep busy. He likes to keep busy.
That's good. Keep
Busy hands are happy hands. What? Where is she?
behind me.
That's us now. Might be a vampire dog.
Oh, did you see what they did to that cow?
Oh,
Heard about a
What do you think we ate this morning? The other half's up in the freezer.
pan to the cow, pan to the cow.
Cue the cow.
Aww.
Yeah.
Stretch out.
Feels so good.
Stretch out.
Feels just like Siesta Key, doesn't it?
Grampy, do you have any
Especially without the
confessions
humidity,
you want to
it's
make
amazing
while
the
we're on
difference it
film?
makes when you don't have that stir.
Rampy, the scenery is not as good.
See, if we filmed Grampy every day, he'd remember exactly. I guess his mother's going to do it then.
That's really nice.
It's all right.
Well, I think it would be worthwhile giving her a call.
Is she on her way to Montreal?
No, I'm talking about Nancy Aiken.
You know, I was thinking that.
Seems logical to me that she might
Is she?
have a case. Leave her house.
And then I was thinking.
And as the afternoon went on, finally somebody was brave enough to go in swimming.
I used to dance with him, and I'm still the same size. He used to be taller than me.
Go ahead.
Oh, no, she's up in the closet, right? Put it in his bed. Right up. When he woke up. No, he wasn't in bed yet. Do you know they tied Lily to Lori one day? Joe and Bunky. Tied him because she screamed. Got little dwarfs. 3 little ones. Perfect. You put it, tell me. Sally's truck.
I used to wear that mask. I had this monkey mask. Or wolf mask? What was that mask? Oh, what does that mask look like that I used to wear? Is it a man or is it a wolf? What's that mask? Oh, the old man, the old man. The bald man with long curly hair and wrinkles. And like when your eyes are in it, your eyes are so real. And she was fixing her hair. She like put herself at an angle.
Does she know what the dog did last week?
No. She doesn't care.
Matt?
My dad, that's why.
Right?
You know what? That's my dad.
You can sit right next to Lauren, okay?
Dad, he's not going in. I did when my dad.
By the time the week is over.
Shake her next to feet in, right next to her. We put burnout in there.
Wow. That's good.
Great.
Hey, Matthew. He was right.
Then you do it. Now, like my hours are kind of weird because I get home at night. I'll walk to the train. That is live. Do it every day and every actually, anyway, it could be exercising wherever you do. Right, not to make it. And now, I have to think shift. My commuter rail training doesn't match with my work schedule at all. I always have to.
Okay, Molly. Let's go. You gonna make it? Yeah.